Imagine you could save your teams hours of paperwork every day, keeping them focused on delivering your standards in the field and empowering them to make decisions that have a positive impact on your business. Imagine you could replace paper audits, inspections, field reports, checklists, and other forms with a tool that makes the entire process easier, faster, and more cost-efficient. Enter IntouchCheck, mobile form software your teams can use to complete forms anywhere they need to, on any smartphone or tablet, even offline. Results are submitted and shared in real time. No pen, paper, or Excel required. When issues are found on site or in store, the people who need to know are instantly notified, so issues are fixed before they become problems. With IntouchCheck, your teams always know what's been done, what needs to be done, and by who, making them more accountable. Tasks are assigned, tracked, and resolved, making it easier to take action when needed. Capture photos, annotations, signatures, timestamps, and geocodes to get a richer look at what's happening in the field. IntouchCheck is easy to use and get others to use. You can get started by building your own forms in minutes. It's completely customizable and caters to your industry. Spend less time filling out forms, make your audit process easier, action problems faster, and drive operational performance. Sign up for a free trial of IntouchCheck today and learn more about how you can use mobile forms at your organization.